Okay, you all asked for it. This is a white chocolate cremeux. Into a saucepan, we go cream and whole milk. We're gonna bring that to a gentle simmer. And while that heats up, we're gonna mix together water and powdered gelatin. Into a bowl, we go sugar and egg yolks. We're gonna whisk that together for 1 minute. Our cream is now steaming, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna slowly pour it over that egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly, and then we'll put it back in the pan. So we pour it in and we cook it over a medium heat, whisking constantly until it reaches about 80 to 85 degrees C. We need to cook it to that temperature to make sure those eggs are cooked. And then the gelatin is very important because not only is it gonna bring some stability to the cream, but white chocolate has less cocoa solids than regular chocolate, so that means it's gonna bring some thickness too. And once at temperature, pour that over your white chocolate and your gelatin. And we simply whisk together or use a hand blender until it's smooth. Cover that and chill it for a minimum of 6 hours. And the next day, whisk it up until you get this beautiful medium stiff peak like this. Just look how smooth that white chocolate cremeux is. It's beautiful to pipe. I'd say compared to the chocolate cremeux, it's a little bit softer. It kind of behaves more like a cream, but still great to fill a cake with.